Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Apple Pay not working on iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, restart phone. So just click on power button and volume down button at the time you will see. So just click and hold on power button. So you will see slide to power off. You will see, so just click and hold on power button. Few seconds later you will see Apple logo is showing on your screen. So you will see, so after the process you will see phone is restart. So after restarting, enter phone passcode. So you will check your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so go to app library. Now here click on settings app. Now here click on general. Now here click on software update. Make sure your software update is latest iOS. So after updating, go back to home screen, refresh phones. So you will check your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so again click on settings. Now in setting, scroll down, click on general. Now here scroll down to end, click on transfer or reset iPhone. So click on reset all settings. So enter phone passcode. So again enter passcode. So click on reset all settings. So it's just reset all settings, it's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Apple Pay not working on iPhone 17 Pro Max. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.